keep going here. I'm trying to cut these videos down to 1 or 2 things. Okay. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this thing on top. And just put that one there. Perfect. Okay. Like I said, I'm just going to keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5. Put this on the top. We'll slide this down in here. Oops, almost put it on backwards. Oh, I'll fix that at the top. Okay. That was weird. Alright, got it. Always time to fix things when they're like this, because then it's loose already and you don't have to worry about like trying to figure it out. But there you go. So we're getting windows all the way around. Yep. Just gonna keep going with the windows. The black part goes out. This. This. And this. And this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. And if you like these videos, then go ahead and subscribe and like the videos for me, because that's how I get credit for YouTube. And I'll appreciate that greatly. Thank you if you do that. 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's going to be like that. I'll put this one right here, just like so. Oop. This is where a steady hand helps. Perfect. Okay. Don't worry, they'll get all like tied together when I'll put some flat longs over there. Okay, I got one. Got some more to do. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I've got there. I put this one here like that, and then okay, so now I've got to do this differently. So I'm going to have 4 of these flat ones like this, like this. And I'm only going to put 4 windows on these, because I've got something special here I'm going to build for the top of these. And I'll show them to you in a minute. I put nothing on the top. No, okay. And then, again, put this together like that. I'm going to have 1, 3 more on there. 4, like that. And this one is going to go over here. Okay, so like I said, I love showing you the detail there, you know, everything I have here. These windows, you know, and how we did this over here as well. Alright, so let's do one more video, okay? I've got some smaller parts here. I'm going to put this together. I'll see you in the next video.